The Tesla steering yoke is not for everyone. Some critics have judiciously described it as not practical. Others have said it outright sucks. And while plenty of Tesla owners are more than happy with the yoke, there's now an alternative for everyone else. According to InsideEVs, Tesla is now offering a steering wheel retrofit product for the Model X and Model S. It won't bring back the column stalks for controlling the wipers, and it costs $700, including installation, but it will put in place a steering wheel that probably works better for tight turns. The company first introduced its retrofit package in January, but InsideEVs said it only just became available for purchase. The official replacement for the steering yoke comes after Tesla earlier this year made it optional for new Tesla buyers. Tesla debuted the steering yoke back in 2021 when it premiered the redesigned versions of the Model X and Model S. It was almost immediately met with skepticism. Consumer Reports said the yoke offers benefits like a clearer view of the gauges and a more panoramic view of the windshield, but the publication also said the yoke's awkward shape makes it difficult to turn, park, and navigate tight spaces. The yoke was also met with reports of quality issues like early degradation. Several Tesla owners said the material on their yokes began peeling and falling apart much earlier than expected. It's not unusual for steering wheels to show some wear and tear, but it usually takes longer than 3,000 miles of driving. But now, Tesla drivers can ditch the yoke without having to use a third party. And whether that's for safety reasons, quality concerns, or just the longing for a good old-fashioned steering wheel, it's good to have options. I'm Ben Munson, and this is IEN Now.